So today I want to show you how to add a title clip. In my case, I have to add it for this video where I'm going to tell the viewer where to go if they want to skip the calculations. So I just go in to this part here, click that, then click the add title clip right there, and then you'll automatically be up here where it says to add a text. Now I can automatically add text, and I'll just type in what I want. Now click off of it. This is what I want it to be. I'm just going to actually move it a little bit over to the side here, wherever you want. You just create or press create title right there. And then to add it to the timeline, here I'll move that over so you can just click and drag it like you would any other. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you tune in to some of my future videos.